welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be tackling these eyebrows. You see these eyebrows, girl? But don't you worry. I have 3 different looks. The first one is the eyebrow gel. I like this Benefit or this Anastasia gel. It's just a good filler. This is a good everyday simple look. First step, brush hairs into desired shape and then apply the gel to your eyebrow to the desired look that you're going for. I usually like about 2 layers and then go from there. And then I just use my spoolie to clean it up at the end. Do you see the difference? It fills it in, and this is great for my beginners to eyebrows. I'm just gonna fast forward the second part here. And this completes look 1. Alright, so our second look is just basically using an eyebrow pencil. I'm doing the same exact thing of brushing your hairs up before you start. And then I'm just going to go in with my spiked eyebrow pencil, but use whatever pencil you like. So now I'm just going to create the look that I want. I like to draw the arch and start right here at the bottom, and then I go to the top. I just create the look that I'm looking for first, and then I draw some like basically filler hairs in, and then I draw that arch in at the top. When I draw this top of the arch, I don't start directly at the front of my eyebrow. I kind of start a little bit in the middle just to kind of get that natural faded look. Is it coming along? You guys seeing a difference? All right, let's fast forward this other part. Alright guys, so this is my last look. I'm smiling with this one because this one is my go-to signature look. I really feel like this look really pops out your eyes. So I start with my Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade. I use dark brown or chocolate depending on how I feel. But I like this little angled brush that it came with. It like has a spoolie and an angle brush. It came with that pomade combo. So you just start by with just a little dab of that pomade, and basically the same exact thing as the eyebrow pencil. Draw your shape. Now I'm gonna go ahead and draw the shape of the top of my brow. If you notice, I didn't dip it again, but you can do whatever you like. I just use exactly what's on my eyebrow. And then I brush that pomade that's already on my brow into the brow. I don't dip it anymore. I just brush it in to fill it. And I'm using whatever is left on that brush because I feel like too much, you kind of look a little bit too cakey. But preference of whatever you like. I just like this look. It just really looks more natural to me when you don't use so much pomade. Now this clear eyebrow gel I use from Anastasia, but anyone works good. I used e.l.f. or even Benefit before. But I didn't think that using a clear eyebrow gel really made a difference, but it really holds your eyebrow into place. And then I go in with this concealer. This concealer, man, it carves out your brow. It really makes a difference of how dramatic your eyebrow looks. At first I thought it was kind of a waste of time, but sis, watch what's about to happen.
it feels like you don't know my name. My name. My name. You don't know my name.
Do you see the difference of how this eyebrow came to life? Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other part just like before. Fast forward and I'll talk to you at the end.
Oh, baby, baby, baby. You don't know my name. 'Cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like and it feels like but you don't know my name.
All right, guys, so that completes our final look. This is all three. Let me know what you're thinking, how you feeling, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.